Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the different types of pulverized fuel burners. There are various types of burners which are used for the combustion of pulverized coal. Those are long flame burners, turbulent burners, tangential burners and cyclone burners. So let us see these burners one by one. Let us see the long flame burner first. So in this burner, the air and the coal mixture travels a considerable distance, this providing sufficient time for complete combustion. So here in this diagram you can see how the burning process in the long flame burner is taking place. Okay, here there are these long flame burners are also called as U flame burners or streamline burners. And in this type of burner, the coal is floated on the portion of the air which is supplied, which is called as the primary air, and it is supplied to the burner in one stream. The secondary and the tertiary air supplies are maintained over here. You can see as shown in the figure. The length of the flame is increased in the combustion chamber by downward initial flow of the flame. So this is how the length of the flame in the burner is increased. Here you can see the another forms of the long flame burners. Here how this first diagram, it is how the secondary air is supplied from this end, and this is the supply of the primary air and the coal, and this is how the U-shaped flame is created over here. The same over here, there is a supply of primary air and coal and the supply of the secondary core, and this is how the U flame is getting created over here. Let's go back to the previous diagram. So here the length of the flame, as I said, it is increased in the combustion chamber by the downward initial flow of the flame. The flame produced is stable over here. It is long and intense, but it can be made short and intense by adding much secondary air. So if you go on adding the secondary air from here, then this can be made short and intense also. Then the tertiary air enters through the burner and forms an envelope around the primary air and fuel and provides a better mixing. So furnaces for low volatile coal are equipped with such burners to give a long flame path for slow burning particles. So this was about the long flame burners. Let us talk about another type of the burner, which is called as turbulent burner. So here you can see how the turbulent burning process takes place. This is the laminar flame, this is the transitional flame, and this is the turbulent flame in case of turbulent burner. In this particular diagram, here you can see that the coal and the primary air is supplied from here, and the secondary air is supplied from this end, and here in the furnace the burning process takes place. Okay. So in turbulent burners, let us refer to this figure. It is also called a short flame burner. Turbulent burner is also called as a short flame burner. Now these burners can fire horizontally and or at the same inclination by adjustment. The fuel air mixture and secondary hot air are arranged to pass through the burner in such a way that there is a good mixing, and the mixing is projected in highly turbulent form in the furnace. So due to the high turbulence created before entering the furnace, the mixture burns intensely and the combustion is completed in the short distance, and that's why it is called as a short flame burner. The turbulent burners gives a high rate of combustion as compared with the other types, and this is generally preferred for high volatile coals, and all modern plants use this type of the burner.